we can move on to the next one, which is thesis for thesis template. Okay, so this is the link, or maybe I can copy this one and put on the chat. This is directly the direct link for the thesis formatting. Going to SPS website. Okay, you can go to handbook and guidelines and click on the thesis formatting 2018. Okay, so this one you can see the thesis manual form and template thesis. Okay, so what you need to do is you have to download this one. Okay, so keep this copy for you, thesis manual 2018, and it's actually updated on 2020. Okay, so this is the one that you can see the guideline. See, thesis manual. So you can see here all the guideline. So how many lines between each paragraph. So how many line after the chapter, okay, the word chapter, and how many line between paragraph and so on. Okay, so you can refer to this guideline. Okay, so we back to the website, and what you need to do next is you have to download this template. So template thesis either in both actually, okay, one is in Bahasa Melayu, Bahasa Malaysia, and one is English. All right, so you can download either one. Okay, so if you download it in zip. Okay, then you have to extract the file. Okay, so I already download the template. Okay, so I'm using the version 2.3. Okay, need to close. Okay, this template, the file actually end with .dotx. Okay, that's the file format, .dotx. But your normal document actually using .docx. Okay, so this T actually refer to template, right? If you click on this template, open this template. Okay, I double click. Okay, it will open this one as a normal document. This even though that actually is a template, but it's open as a new document. Okay, so means that the document actually formatted with the template, but you cannot change the template. Not change the template. I mean, you can actually edit the template, okay, but it's not saved as a template because it's saved as a normal document. Okay, so if you are not familiar to, to start from scratch, okay, you can use this template by replacing all the words here lah. Okay, sorry, broken English. Right, so you have to replace the word, the sentence, or the text here. So for example, you want to, this is the, okay, the first page. Okay, you want to rename this name to your name. So you just change to your name. Okay, so this is maybe if you want to like if you maybe start from zero, I mean you still didn't start any writing before, maybe you can try it this way. So you just replace all the text from this template. Okay, and also acknowledgement, so you just highlight and then replace with your own text. Okay, Right, so this is actually first option for you to replace the text in the document template. But today I want to show you if you already have your own document that you have maybe write for a few chapter, but then you want to apply the template. Okay, so I close this one first. Right. So what you need to do actually, just prepare one folder for your thesis. Okay. So for example, I create this my thesis. Okay. So and I put images, right? Images. So maybe your figure, or any image, or any screenshot. So just keep in the same folder images. Okay. And then you want to create your new document. For example, you just start from blank document. Okay. And what you need to do, okay, you have to import the template formatting. Okay. So what you need to do is you have to make sure that you have this developer tab. Okay. So if your Word doesn't have this developer tab, okay, what you need to do is you go to the file and go to option. Okay, and then go to customize ribbon. And on the right side, okay, find developer. Okay, so this tab for the developer. So because I already, you can see tick here. So means mine is already there. Okay, but if yours untick, so just tick. Okay, and then click OK. All right. So next one is you have to import the template. All right. So if you click on the developer tab, you can find document template here on the very right side. Okay. And then what you need to do, you have to import to attach the document template. So I click on the attach button. Okay. So you need to find the template that you already downloaded before. Okay, so this is the template. Okay, I click open. Sorry, not yet. I just want to show you one thing. I go to home. Okay, this is style. Okay, this is style uh, for the document. Okay, for the document, the standard one, the standard style for your document. Okay, but you want to import style from your template. Okay, so that's why we have to go to developer, go to document template, then attach the document template. So go on. Okay, so this is the template.dotx. So I click open, click the file and then click open. All right, then make sure that you tick automatically update document style. Okay, so it will change the style you can see on the right side. Okay, so I click automatically update document style and then I click OK. Okay, you can see this is the style that already done for you. Okay, so for example, you want to start with your writing. Okay, your chapter 1. So I will write. Okay, I click on the chapter 1 heading 1. Okay, so normally if chapter 1, you will need to follow the, for example, chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1, then you have to put the title, right? Okay, so maybe the chapter 1 is introduction. Okay, for example, introduction. So what you need to do, you can also use this paragraph mark to help you. Okay, so I make it bigger. Is it okay? Is it clear? Okay, so put your cursor at the end of chapter 1. Okay, then press Shift Enter. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then you can type introduction. Okay, so this is for the chapter heading. Okay, then you enter and it will straight away bring you to the new line. So if you refer to the guideline, maybe between the chapter 1 and maybe I scroll down to show how many lines you need to have for the chapter. This one, go down again. Extract. Which page number? Okay, this one. Okay, 3 times shift plus enter. Okay, you follow this one. Okay, so you have to use like this one, heading 1. So this actually using the template, all right, heading 1 and 4 line spacing. So if you use the style from the template, it's already done for you. Okay, this one is actually 4 line spacing between the word introduction, is one word, introduction, okay, and the first subtopic. So maybe your first subtopic will be overview, for example, overview, or again introduction, overview. Okay, then overview will be your heading 2. Means that you need put 1.1 at the front of the overview word. Okay, so you click on the heading 1. Okay, you can see the format already done for you. Okay, and then you want to start with new paragraph. Okay, you press enter. Okay, so maybe I just put 3 paragraph. Okay, so you have like 3 paragraph here. Then you want to format to follow to the thesis guideline. Okay, so you must have the spacing, 1 line spacing between the first paragraph and the second paragraph. So you just need to check this one. Oh, no, 2 line spacing. Okay, so if you're not sure whether you need to use like single spacing or double spacing, so this template actually make it easy, so you don't have to worry about that. So what you need to do is just click on any line on the first paragraph. So you can click on para to line. Okay, para to line. Okay, so same goes to the second paragraph, para to line, and this one, para to line. Okay, then you will have, after overview, maybe you will have background of the problem. So I write down the next subtopic, background. Background of the problem, for example, problem. Okay, just press enter. Okay, for this one, so you just apply the same formatting like this one. So we are using heading 2. Okay, heading 2, I make sure that your cursor is on that line. Okay, so heading 2, click on heading 2, and you can see the formatting already applied on that text of line. Okay, so if you check again, all right, to the thesis guideline, so you need to have 4 line spacing between the last paragraph in the previous subtopic, in between the previous subtopic and the new subtopic. Okay, so 4 line spacing. So what you need to choose, okay, here on the last paragraph, you need to choose para 4 lines. Okay, click para 4 lines. So you can see they do the formatting for you. So this is actually the 4 line spacing. Okay, right, clear? Any question? Right. Okay, next. when you want to use para 2A and para 4A, for example, just put a okay, I have another paragraph. So I just put this para 2 line, para 2 line, then para 2 line, para 2 line, 2 line. Okay, or you can just select all. Select the paragraph that you want to apply new formatting. Okay, so maybe in your background of problem, you want to add a figure. Okay, okay, you want to use to insert figure. Okay, for example, I want to put here. Okay, and then I just insert image from my device. For example, I choose one image, work, for example. Okay, so I can just reduce, or you can use the text boundaries to help you whether you are inside the text boundaries or not. Okay, this is the figure. Okay, maybe I need to crop a bit this one. If okay, so for example, we want to give the caption for this image, for this figure. Okay, so what you need to do is, okay, I will use, where is it, insert. Where's the caption? Sometimes not remember where actually it's located. Okay, references. Okay, references. Okay, so click on the image first. Okay, then click on the insert caption. Caption, all right. So figure 1.1, all right, because the image caption must follow the chapter. So it means if you are in the image in chapter 1, so the first number should show the chapter number. Okay, so in case if it doesn't appear like this, you can go to numbering, click on numbering tab, and you must tick include chapter number. Okay, if I untick this one, okay, you can just see number 1. Okay, so just fix this one back, numbering, click numbering, and click include chapter number and click OK. Right, so this is for figure. All right, then I click OK. Oh, it's blue. Is there any formatting inside? Let me check. Oh, no. So you have to do manually for the color, okay, font color. Okay, so you need to press tab, press one tab only, and then you can type the caption for this one. Okay, just copy this one right here. Okay, and then just if I'm not sure whether we need to bold or not, just need to check. That is the image. There's no sample. Okay, it's a bold. But actually figure should be on the bottom right. Table that you need to put the caption on the top figure. Is it right? So you just need to check the guideline. Okay. So then what you have to do, okay. Sometimes I didn't like this sign appear I'll do the editing. So just close first, then you can just on again if you need to see the paragraph mark. Okay, so what you need to do is next for this caption, you need to choose, okay, caption for figure. Okay, we have two options here, caption for figure or caption for figure to line. So if your caption maybe a bit long, so maybe 2 or 3 lines, so you can choose caption for figure to line. Okay, for this one, I just choose click caption for figure. Okay, so it's not bold. Okay, caption for figure, and then right. Okay, then for the paragraph, you need to change to para to A. Okay, para to A. So it will put gap between your figure caption and the paragraph. Okay, let me check the chat. I think someone asking list of figure. Okay, I will share the recording later. Okay, how to link figure in paragraph chapter into list of figure. Oh, okay. I will show you. All right, later. Okay, so this is how you need to format your figure. Okay, so if you actually go to, sometimes not remember where it's actually the 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 function, the icon, the function. Okay, this one. Okay, this is navigation pane. Okay, if you go to view tab, all right, then go to navigation pane. Then you will see here, all right. So here is the one that actually will be included in your table of content automatically because you are using the style provided in this template. Okay, I think we need more time. We only left about 15 minutes actually. So maybe I can just proceed until finish. Okay, right. So this is for the figure. Okay. If you click here, actually, you can see, okay, this one is in the gray, with a gray background, okay, gray color. Okay, so means this is actually will be updated automatically if you add another figure before. Okay, so maybe I want to add another image. Okay, maybe after before this one. So at this moment, this figure label with figure 1.1. So I want to add another figure. I will go to insert, okay, picture, this device, and maybe I want to put paragraph, graph. Okay, and I need to label first to give caption for this one. Go to, sorry, again, references, insert caption. Okay, so figure 1.1 and then click OK. So then you click tab and maybe just I copy the word. Okay, then you go to the style and choose caption. So maybe I try caption 2 lines. Maybe this one. Make it okay longer. Okay, so I click on any line. Okay, then go to caption. Oops. Is it just now caption for figure 2 lines. Okay, and then you click on the paragraph and change to para to A. Okay, and this is figure 1.1. Okay, and the next figure should be 1.2. See, it will change automatically for you, figure 1.2. All right, so if you add another figure maybe before this first figure, okay, then it will automatically update for you to change to figure 1.2, and then this one change to 1.3. Okay, So you don't have to worry about the figure number. Okay, another thing is if you want to maybe put in text in your paragraph that you are referring to the figure 1.1. So for example, you want to put in bracket or you want to say based on figure 1.3 or 1.2, something like that. So for example, I just put at the end of this paragraph to cite for the figure 1.2, right? So what I need to do, I can insert table or figure, cross reference. Cross reference. Okay, so you want to reference to choose the reference type, choose figure. Okay, choose figure. Okay, and then you have two figure in your document right now. Okay, so you can choose maybe I want to choose 1.1. Okay, and then whether you want to include entire caption or maybe only the label and number. Okay, so I click insert and you can see it automatically insert for you. So in case if your figure numbering change to maybe 1.3, so this one will automatically update for you too. Okay, so it and okay. Oh, okay, for the attendance, let me get the attendance first, the link. Okay, any question at this moment? Not sure where the, okay, where is it? Copy. Attendance. Okay, I already share the attendance link, so you can yeah, fill in the attendance link, fill in the attendance form. Okay, let's go back to the figure. So any question on this one? Is it okay? So for example, we want to apply the same thing for table. Right? So for table, okay, maybe I want to add table here. Okay, insert table. Sorry, insert table. So I want like maybe 3, 5. Just add 0. Okay. Just reduce the column. Maybe 0.5. Okay, 0.5. Okay, for example, this is the table. Okay, you want to insert caption. Just go to the references, then insert caption. But this time you want to use table. Okay, the label as a table and above selected item or below, because the figure, if I'm not mistaken, figure should be on the bottom of the figure, and for the table should be on the top, if I'm not mistaken. So you just need to check back the guideline. Okay, so above selected item. So same if you only see 1.1, only see table 1, so you can change the numbering. So just make sure that include chapter number and then click OK. Okay, and also just make sure you use period. Okay, dot. Okay, so table 1.1, then just copy any text here, press tab, then you can apply for the caption for table 2 line, because this one is 2 line. Okay, so this is exactly the formatting that you need to apply for the table caption. Okay, So of course table will start with 1.1. It will not continue with the figure numbering. Okay. So the same goes if you want to add the cross reference. Okay. So maybe you want to see like based on table blah blah blah. So insert cross reference. Okay, change to table, and you only have one table. So please change this one to only label and number. But if you want to use the entire caption, you can choose that one. So only label and number, and then click insert. Okay. So based on table 1.1 blah 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 blah. Okay. All right.